parking.
Right, this will be the older elevators at Terminal 3 at Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport.
Level 5 parking going down.
You're standing in front of someone.
Level 1, ticketing, baggage claim, ground transportation, and access to gates.
Are we going?
Yeah, go on ahead. Alrighty, we're gonna get off at 8 now.
Level 8, parking.
Perfect timing, because now the airport's gonna get busier. Love that old Montgomery logo there. The only original set that they kept was when they rebuilt Terminal 3. The rest of the elevators were all ripped out, the older ones. And that's it.